Hey dreamers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sprite fly. So first, I'm going to choose a sprite. So my sprite is a parrot and now let's choose a backdrop. So I have chosen a backdrop. Now we're going to go to the events, we're going to get the when flag clicked, and now we're going to go to the repeat. We're going to go to the control and we're going to get this repeat 10, then over here, and then we're going to go to the look. We're going to choose next costume, we're going to add it over here. Now we will go at control again and we're going to go to the weight. We're going to do 0.3 seconds. Okay, we're gonna add the weight over here. Now we're going to do the events again. We're gonna choose this, and now we're going to go to the look, control, and we're gonna choose forever, and we're gonna also get repeat. And now we're going to go to the motions, and we're gonna choose this. We're gonna place forever over here, and then we're gonna put repeat over here. We're gonna write 50. Now we're going to add the move 10 steps, and now let's see the final result. So this is the final result. So yeah, let's see again. Let's see. It's perfect, yay! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye bye.